This is a job advertisement and it is quite interesting. So what we have at the top is samak duan, like samak apply and duan immediately. Rai dai ngam, I believe is good income. And then this red line, the third line down, Paramount. So I think the place is called Paramount, and it's a strange transliteration of the English word paramount. Rap samak. So they're hiring pretty, and in Thailand there are one or two strange sounding job descriptions. A pretty is actually a job, as is a coyote, and these both involve good-looking women. PR, prom longang tanti. Prom's ready, like longang to work, tanti immediately, so you can start work immediately. Okay, this one here now. So Ran mi lukka, the shop has customers, Thai,และต่างชาติ so ต่างชาติ foreigners. It's politer than Farang, and a lot of the foreigners here aren't Farangs anyway. So the shop's got, you know, Thai customers and foreign customers. Nak Turagit is business people, a businessman or businesswoman. Nak Tong Tiao is a tourist, and high soul is like, you know, high society people. So these people who come to this place have got money. Tip, that's another English word transliterated. Tip, you get tips. A lot of tips. Ha, doom, ngai. So you can find drinks easily. The customers will buy you drinks. Tamngang sanuk, working here is fun. Okay, now it's another English word transliterated. Guarantee, rai dai. So that's your guaranteed income. It's 50,000 baht dirham per month. My wife, who's done a degree and has been teaching for a long time, earns 15,000 a month. So you know, it sort of puts it in perspective how much these girls can earn. So you know, good-looking girls can earn a lot of money like this. Ran is shop, and I just have to look the other word up in my dictionary. Ru, I think it's luxury, so it's like a luxury environment. And ngung di, good money. So all in all, if you're a good-looking Thai girl, you can get a job here and earn a significant amount of money compared to most other professions in Thailand.